Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update the iOS software on your iPhone. Let's get started. To update iOS, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will automatically check if there's an update available. If nothing appears right away, swipe down from the top of the screen to refresh. If there is an update available, tap Update Now. You may need to enter your passcode and agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Once confirmed, the update will begin downloading and installing. Your iPhone will reboot automatically when it's done. And that's it. Now you know how to update iOS on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.